This is a very simple problem. F of x is minimum of sin x and cos x. And we are worried about the points between minus pi and plus pi. Right. And where all this function is not differentiable. And whatever is that set of all points where it is not differentiable, that set is subset of which of these four sets. Right, guys? So, sin x, cos x. Sin x graph, how does it look? It looks like this between minus pi and plus pi. Right, this is 0 and this is pi and this is minus pi. Right, and what about cos x? Cos x, it looks like this. Right, between minus pi and plus pi. We are talking about minimum. What does that mean? We are talking about this part, then this part, then this part. Basically, we are talking about this part, then this part, then this part, something like this. Right, so I'll show you the better looking graph also. So this is minus pi and obviously this is cos x and this is sin x. Right. So at minus pi, this part we are talking about this part, minimum of both of this. Right. This part and then again till pi. Then this part. Right. So now the question is about where all this is not differentiable. When is it not differentiable? Obviously when we change directions, when the slopes are not matching, then it is discontinuous. So for example, at this point, what is this point? This point is what? Minus pi by 2. This is minus 3 pi by 4. Right. This is right. This point is minus pi by 2, right? This is minus 90 degrees. This is minus 180 degrees. This is minus 135. Right. Similarly, this is plus 45 when both are 1 by root 2, and this is 90 when one is 0, another is 1. And similarly, somewhere here, it should be 135 degrees. Right, guys? Now at 135 and minus 135, what is minus 135? Which is minus 3 pi by 4. And what is this one? What is this point? This is actually pi by 4. So at pi by 4 also, we are getting something like this. Right, at this point. And at minus 3 pi by 4 also we are getting some point. So where if you come from the left hand side, this is the slope which is positive, and if you come from the right hand side, this is the slope which is negative. Similarly here, this slope is positive, this slope is negative. Right. So at these points, it is clearly not differentiable. Right. These are corner points. One side we are getting one slope, another side we are getting another slope. Rest all part is actually smooth. So from here to here, it is not an issue. From here to here also there is no issue, but only at this point, which is at pi by 4 and at minus 3 pi by 4, there are some issues. Right. So pi by 4 and minus 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 is there, minus 3 pi by 4 is not there. Here, minus 3 by 4, pi by 4 is there, pi by 4 is there. Minus 3 pi by 4 is there, but pi by 4 is not there, so this is wrong. This is also wrong. So this is the correct answer. We have both the points here. Remaining 2 points we can ignore. Right, guys? Very, very basic problem. Just that we have to draw sine graph and cos graph, nothing else.